I remember growing up, we used to call everything chicken. I mean, everything chicken. If it was pork chop, it was chicken. If it was steak, it was chicken. And one day, my mom was cooking real chicken. My brother say, Mama, but we didn't want that chicken. We wanted the real good chicken. She was like, well, what's the real good chicken? And he was like, you know, the one that's flat, the one that you be cooking, the one that you fry, the real good chicken. And she was like, baby, that was pork chop. This is chicken right now.